सुनील जी दिख नहीं रहे होंगे उसमें।
And there are many points in common that have come up. So one of the points which
Chairman Pan IIT, Mr. Krishan Dhar, General Secretary, my friend Devashish Bhattacharya, esteemed guests from the industry, the startups, young engineering talents from across the globe, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, there could not have been better time for an interaction with the august group than now because of much hope, fresh enthusiasm and renewed energy. Largely because of our successful fight against global pandemic and rapid pace of vaccination. Let me wish you all a good health and happy future. I was really impressed with a sentence in the Pan IIT brochure which suggested that change is so fast that formal education may become obsolete even before it has been completed. Chairman Mr. Dhar, in his message, used the term redesigning the future. These two remarks made me think, is the pace of change that fast? Did COVID pandemic slow down our innovations and pace of accelerations, or like every crisis, these two brought opportunities and room for creative disruption? As the world is adjusting to the new normal, I believe that technology is changing faster than ever, and the questions that came to my mind and has its own answer. In this fast-moving transformative age, businesses and industries may become obsolete if they don't keep up with the changes. I am happy that 2020 Global Innovation Index has observed that India made significant progress in the innovation ranking over time and have entered the elite top 50 countries club. This makes me think of the trunk call also, known as long distance telephone call, for which we were made to pay extra money and also wait for hours to get connected. Now here we are talking to each other through video conferencing facility, conducting virtual board meetings, and every second someone somewhere in the world is closing a deal by transacting virtual money. Friends, very soon we would be sitting in the back seat of a car without the driver in the front seat. If you can bring alive the inventors of wheel who slogged for years during Mesopotamia civilization, they may not even recognize their original engineering marvel, which is obviously made of titanium now. Gadkari ji knows more than me that 90% of the accidents happen every year due to human error. Now these driverless cars loaded with software connected through a cell phone with promise of zero accident may replace our old drivers and driving schools.